Hi everyone!
Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk and learn about
polygons.
polygons.
Like this. That's a triangle, these shapes.
Different shapes. It's called 2D
Shapes.
figures or shapes.
I call it shapes.
How can you find their
Like
polygons?
right here.
Oh, it's connected. All the lines.
Like it's like a triangle. See?
Triangles, yeah.
It's not these. That's
So what is actually polygon, Lina?
a polygon is a 2D shape.
2D shapes. It's also is a shape that is formed by straight lines.
Like this. That's a straight line. Like this actually.
If you go that way, it's a straight line.
Like this. Wait, let me
show. You wanna show how the straight line form a
But
polygon?
I might not make a very straight line.
No problem.
Nobody is perfect.
Yeah.
Well, this is good.
That's a polygon?
No, it's just like that's the line.
Oh, straight line. Okay.
I'm showing the line, but this is a polygon.
Yeah.
And this
is a polygon.
And by the way,
straight line there.
Yeah, and by the way, this O is not a polygon.
Why?
Because it's circle, and it looks like a circle.
It's a curve, yeah. So it's not a polygon.
If it has curves, then it's not.
How about L?
The L, yes. Actually, no.
More L. If you connect 4L, it becomes a polygon. Okay, let's move to next slide. Let's move to next slide, Nina. I know you like to make a polygons.
Let's
see what is not a
polygon.
Why?
Not a polygon.
Why this is not a polygon?
Because it has an opening line. It could go like this, or this.
So it's not connected, that's why?
No, it's not connected.
Yeah, the straight lines are not connected.
Because it has to be connected.
Okay.
Do not form a closed figure. So that this is not a closed figure.
But that is a closed figure.
Yeah, but polygons is not supposed to have curves.
Okay.
It has no straight lines. This has no straight lines.
Okay. So this one is closed, but that one is not closed.
Yeah,
So
that has to be a
polygon.
Closed.
And the other one, it's closed, but
it has
not a
no
straight line.
lines.
That's why it's not a polygon.
So next we will learn about properties of a polygon.
Wow.
I think I know what's the first one.
What is it?
Sides.
Sides. Okay,
Sides
let's
of
see.
a polygon.
All right, sides of a polygon. The straight lines that form a polygon are called its sides. Like, so 3 sides polygons, 4 sides polygons, and 5 sides polygons.
There's even 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. So those
it's
are
not on here.
all polygons. So one of the properties is
Sides.
Okay, next.
Properties of a polygon, another one. And I think there's 4.
Yeah, let's see. So
there's 5.
What you call this one? What is the property of this polygon?
The vertices.
Vertices.
The red circles.
Yeah, it has a vertices. So the first one was sides. Second one is
vertices.
Okay, continue. Let's see. The points where the sides of a polygon meet are called vertices. Right. Okay, the third one is what? Say it. Interior angles.
I don't really know how to say interior.
Yeah, so the third property of polygon is interior angles. The angles inside the polygon formed by sides at each vertex are called interior angles. So it's an angle here, 90 degree, interior angles.
Yeah, and plus it has to be. Now we're gonna do.
Lina, what about if it's a triangle inside?
That's fine.
That's also interior angle, right?
Yeah.
That can be also polygon.
But if it's like this, no.
Yeah.
Because it has to be a bit, not a lot.
Okay.
I don't know why I say a lot like that.
Let's see the next one. The properties of polygon. The fourth one is regular polygon. What do you mean by that? Regular polygon.
Its sides are this, and angles are in a polygon are equal. It's called a regular polygon. So all these sides have to be equal. So they're all 108.
So if you measure that,
it's 108, but
it has to be those polygon which has equal angles called regular polygon.
Yeah, but in the next one we're gonna do not regular.
Well, let's focus on this one now. So the regular polygons has in this one has 5 sides. Okay.
Next.
Interesting.
Non-regular polygon.
Why this is non-regular polygon? Why do you think this is non-regular polygon?
This is 90, right? This is 90. This is 90. Oh, this is not 90. Higher or lower?
Less than that.
It's higher. No, it's higher. This is higher. This is 90. Oh, this is lower than 90. This is lower than 90. And this is higher than
20
90.
or 30 or 40 angles. So each of the angles are different. It's not same.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Interior angles are all different. So that's why it's a non-regular polygon. So if all sides and angles in a polygon are not equal, it's called a non-regular polygon. You are right. So see the sides here, they are not equal, but they are all interconnected, right? And they have angles, different angles.
Yeah, they have angles that are the same.
That's why it's non-polygon. What if it is a circle?
No.
Can't be, right?
Nope.
Because polygon needs a straight lines. Doesn't matter if it's a small or big, or equal or not equal.
It's still a polygon. But if it's a regular polygon,
it has to
then it has to be straight lines.
Same line, same angle, right? Oh, I didn't know this before.
I knew this.
Interesting.
For my class. I'm just teaching people things for my class.
Okay, so that's all about polygon. Thank you very much for watching.
Before we go, we're gonna play a song.
Okay, you wanna sing one song? Let's see if I can pick up the song. If you play.
Okay, I'm gonna sing Happy Birthday.
You make and I'll sing a song.
Yeah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That's all I know.
Good. Thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.
In my videos. Bye.